the FedEx gods have finally blessed us and delivered all the Grom parts today. So this will be a pretty low edit quality video, but I wanted to go through and open up and see everything we got, and really y'all are opening it up as I go with me. So let's take a look. First box is from Babbits Online. This is a OEM Honda parts dealer. And this should be all of the body panels. And I really hope I ordered the right color. Fuel tank, center area, specifically one without all the stickers on it. That was like $8, so I figured why not. That's probably for future Spencer. Let's see, I got side cover decals, so these should be the Grom ones for down here on the side on the other models. I got a couple of Honda wings, so one for each side, and then I got the one for the rear cowl as well, which is cool. Oh man, of course these are all going to be covered. They're wrapped up real good, which is a good thing, don't get me wrong. I like it when things come wrapped up, but this adds to the suspense. So Honda parts, when you order them, have a tendency to be identified as types. So like the pearl white is, I believe, could be wrong because who knows, I believe it's type 5. So the gray metallic, dark gray metallic that I wanted, I am pretty sure, but not positive, pretty sure that that is type 1. So that is what I ordered out of everything. So yeah. Ah, cool. It came with the stickers on and everything. Man, this is going to look good. Okay, so that's our cowl. Let's see what we have here. Left side panel. Looks like our right side panel. And we're going to actually open this one and show you what it looks like. I think it's just going to look so good on there. Man, I'm excited. So, my last new bike, I have several, obviously, but my last new one was the Navi, and body panels are still on back order for that a year later. So, for me to be able to order Grom panels and have them show up a week and a half later, I am ecstatic. Oh, cool. That comes with the Honda logo on it already, too. Man, I think that's going to look so good with the gray forks. It's darker than I expected too. I'd only seen the silver and the last year's blue and this white in person. I hadn't seen the gray in person, so that's exciting. Alright, so inside panels for inside the body part. It's like the other side, inner panel. Our headlight shroud. So on this one it's white. We're gonna go back to that metallic. And oh, another wing. And these are the little inner panels for down behind your knees. So I am shocked and amazed that not a single one of those body panels were back ordered. I fully expected to have to wait weeks for those. So that's cool. Try to slide those down. God, I'm sure that sounded great. Sorry about the audio there. Let's see, next box we're going to do came from Revzilla. This is the KLX handlebars. Should be. This came in a very large box for what they are. Yep. Hey. Alright, Protaper bars. Man, I'm real disappointed they don't send the sheets of stickers with Revzilla orders anymore. I have a box up there that I just kept sticker bombing with all of them. I'm like 3/4 of the way done with it, so kind of a bummer. But Protaper bars, 7/8 KLX 110 bend. I'm actually kind of surprised. I thought these came up a little bit higher. than what I expected. Yeah, kind of looks Jersey. But they are wider, which will be really nice. I appreciate the width on them. Those are going to be sweet. Looking forward to those. Plus, I just think that they look cool with the bar pad and everything. Alright, last box. And this one I'm actually most surprised by the size of it. So this came from SteadyGarage. And this is the one that was supposed to be here last week, but thanks to FedEx hell, did not show up. So, bottle of oil. The tiniest, oh my god, the tiniest little oil filter. So the 22s and 23s now have an oil filter instead of the clutch spinner. Oh man, so it's a high flow, which I've used on other Hondas, no biggie. That's the size of like a crankcase breather filter. Like that is just puny. That's hilarious. Anyways, oil, four-stroke additive, which I've never used before. We'll see if it does anything. And then just the tiniest little springs. These are the Racing Bros 6.5 Newton meter per millimeter. Newton meter per millimeter? That's weird. Newtons per millimeter. Springs, they're supposed to be good for like 190 to 280 pounds, something like that. And I am definitely in the middle of that range. New grips. I complained in my last video about these just being awful and feeling gross. So new set of Motion Pro road control. Let's see, what's this? Probably an invoice. Yep, an invoice. A tiny little SteadyGarage sticker. That'll go on the beer fridge. And some foam. Cool. Well, that's my parts haul. I am so excited. I'm not going to unwrap everything. That's not going to happen. But we're just going to end it here. And I'm going to try and get everything put away before my wife shows up and needs to park her Jeep right here. So thanks for watching. Next video, we'll be slapping some of these on. Oh, so excited. All right. See ya.